This is my latest design. It's a simple box made to hold nozzles for a 3D printer. I used Tinkercad to design this. I haven't been using it that long, but it's fairly user friendly. The main box and insert are the same on all, but I designed 4 different lids from 2mm nozzle up to 8mm nozzle, the most common used. I printed all these on my Ender 5 S1 with a 0.4mm nozzle, and I'm using Eon and eSun matte filaments, which I will link in the description. Each box takes around 2 hours to print, and as you see, they come off the base fairly easily, and everything just slots together. As I'm showing these, I'd just like to give a shout out to Stay Ready, a channel I've recently started following, and he's worth checking out. I'll put his link in the comments. He's running a competition for a free giveaway of a Samsung's 32-inch TV and a K1 Max 3D printer, so as I say, worth checking out. I printed these for a standard size nozzle, but you could easily adjust them for longer nozzles. I made the inserts separate rather than part of the base box, so you could swap and change them if you wanted different colours. I do like the matte filaments. I've been using them quite a lot lately and really like the finish, and they're more forgiving on showing layer lines. I'll be releasing this design free, as I always do, in the usual places, and I'll add the link to it in the comments. If you like the video or like the design, please like and subscribe. It's always most appreciated, and thank you for watching.